coming to check out this cool sandbar. A little bit away from the water. The water's edge. Obviously it's still in the water, but you know what I mean. Let's see what's over here. I see lots of little bird footprints. Man, that's a super old guy. I feel like sandbars usually only have sand dollars. I never find anything too good at the sandbars. But maybe today's the day, you never know. And it's just cool being out here like so far from the beach, but still walking. I love when the sandbar shows itself at low tide. That looked alive. I was scared to touch it. It's so shallow at the sandbar. It's literally like ankle deep, which is super cool. What is this guy? Let's see. Oh my gosh. A live Florida fighting conch with slippers all over him. It's pretty cool. Just looking in the shells right by the wake zone, and my son found the cutest little coffee bean trivia. They look like cowries. They're so adorable. I love his little spots. So cute. Right next to him is a tiny little apple murex, and then a tinted cantharus, and a little oyster drill. Pretty good section right here. Oh, and a juvenile fighting conch and another oyster drill. A bunch of olives. Saw something rolling right here. Olive's pretty big and beat up. Picked up a cute little periwinkle. Banded tulip. Keyhole limpet. Super cute. My best helpers shelling today. They got their handfuls. Let's see, we got a lightning whelk, periwinkle, drill.